So we're going to go over how to put the Frywall into your pan. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have the right pan for your Frywall. So here we have a Frywall 12 and we have a 12-inch pan. Actually, it's about 11.5 inches, which is on the small side of what will work for the Frywall 12. Now, when you grab your Frywall 12, I want you to notice something. It may initially look a little bit too big. You see how the pan looks like it's smaller than the Frywall? It won't be too big once you actually set it into place. There you go. Now, how do I just do that? First, make sure you grab the Frywall at 3 o'clock and at 9 o'clock. Second, make sure your hands are spread far apart so you can control the Frywall. Then, make it into a circle and ease it down. So you want your hands at 3 o'clock and at 9 o'clock, have your fingers spread out far apart, turn the Frywall into a circle, and then ease it down. Now what you don't want to do is try to fit it into the pan this way and then try to get it into place. It just won't work. One other thing to notice is sometimes when your Frywall is new, you may have a little wrinkle. Just push it out, it'll set against the pan, and once you've used it a couple of times, that wrinkle will go away completely. Finally, also notice you're going to have some room between the bottom of the Frywall and the cooking surface. That's the way it's supposed to be. That way the bottom of the cooking surface stays free. If your Frywall does sit on the bottom, that's fine too. It's high temperature silicone, it won't burn. And that's it. Enjoy your Frywall.